Hi, how are you? Welcome back to our English course. In today's session, we will learn how to speak about numbers and count from 1 to 20, and how to speak about your birthday and how to speak about your age. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, let's start counting. Listen and repeat. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Now, let's continue to 20. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, or you can say 20, 20. Now, let's say them one more time. With me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent job. Also, we have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you want to say 21 or 31 or 41 or 51, and so you will say 20 or 30 plus 1 to 9. Now, let's learn how to ask about age. And how can I say my age? How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. Or you can say I am 25. I am 25. Or I have 25 years old. So, your turn. How old are you? Excellent. Let's try again. How old are you? Good job. When we speak about the order of the days in the month, we begin with first, second, third, and from 4th to 10th, or to 20th. And after the 20th, we have 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and so on. To speak about your birthday, the question is, When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is in the 1st of December. The 1st of December. Or you can say, my birthday is on December 1st. Is on December 1st. So, your turn. When is your birthday? Good job. Now, listen and answer the questions. Okay? Hi. What's your name? What's your name? How old are you? How old are you? Great. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Excellent. Now, let's revise all the questions that we have from the first time or from the first session till now. Hi. What's your name? Good. And how old are you? Where are you from? How many members do you have in your family? How many members do you have in your family? Good job. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Excellent job. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to our channel to see all the new lessons. See you in the next session. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.